welcome. Today, we continue on with our series of Panchang. The Tithis were much liked and they were much appreciated. That is just one of the 5 parts of the Panchang. The one on which the Tithi is based is known as the Karana. The Karana is a beautiful element of the Tithi which defines the work that we do. It helps us identify our area of work, it helps us identify our profession, and it tells us what we are best at. The root word for the word Karana is based on the Sanskrit word Kar. Kar in itself is a verb that defines, that says to do. So Karana is very much attached to our profession. Let us look further into what Karana means. So today we are going to have a good look at what the Karana basics are. Karana. Kar is the Sanskrit root word which means to do. It also translates to instrument or cause. Karana represents the earth element. In one of my previous videos about the Panchang basis, I have given all the elements for all the 5 elements of the Karana, of the Panchang. So the Tithis is ruled by Venus, a water sign, a water element, and Karana is ruled by Mercury, the earth element. It is not just your profession. On the contrary, the 10th house is not just your profession, it's the work that you do, work of any kind. It is the way one dispenses off with their karma. That is the house where you let go of the old and you build in the new. Karana means doing, creating, performing, and producing. So it is a house which definitely shows the cause and effect. Incidentally, we also need to know that this is the house where you are creating, generating the agami, and you're letting go of the prarabdha. That is, letting go of or trying to work out, wash out your past life karmas, your past karmas, and while doing a lot of work, you are also, as we are humans and we have intent to do something, so we create karmas for the future. This Karana also helps us understand our mistakes or shortcomings, particularly in habits and work-related attitude, and it makes us aware of what we should do, how we can change for a better person. It means tools, techniques, and method, and how we would do well, do good to find out what is our best field of working. How do we dispense off with the karma related to the work that we have come to do in this lifetime, and how do we create a minimal of the agami, because ultimate goal for all is to let go and to move towards the supreme. How do we use our karmendriyas? The karmendriyas are our hands, legs, eyes, nose, ears, etc. The deity, there is Mercury is one of the, now there are many things that is associated with the Karana. There are 11 Karanas, and each Karana has a deity associated with it. Each Karana has a planet associated with it, and the underlying planet for all the Karana is Mercury. So that remains constant throughout the Karanas. Karana is one half of the Tithi. So that is the difference between the Karana, one Karana and the next is a half of the operating Tithi, and the Karanas are fixed and movable. They can be defined as fixed and movable. We'll see how they come up. There is a difference of 6 degrees between sun and moon when one Karana is created or is happens. There are 60 Karanas in a lunar month and 30 Tithis. So this is one of the elements of the Panchang. There are 7 movables and 4 fixed karnas, totaling 11 in number. So the movable karnas are Bhava, Ballava, Kaulava, Taitula, Gara, Vanija, Vishti, and the 4 sthira karnas are Shakuni, Chatushpada, Naga, and Kingstubna. These 7 karnas are repeated 8 times. So 7 into 8 is equal to 56, and the remaining 4 add up to 60 karnas. These remaining 4 take place from Chaturdashi second half to Amavasya, that is Shakuni takes place on Chaturdashi second half of Krishna Paksh. On Amavasya, Chatushpada and Naga take place, are the operating karnas, and finally on Pratipada of the Shukla Paksh is the karna Kingstubna, which is in operation. And then Baba, Ballava, Kaulava, Taitula, Gara, Vanija, Vishti is the sequence that follows, repeated again by the same sequence 7 times. There's more on Karana coming up for you. Keep tuned and see how the Karana operates in terms of the profession of a person. Person born in a particular Karana will be associated with a particular planet, particular deity, and a particular Karana. So look into your charts, see what your Karna is, and we will see how that Karna operates for you out there. Till we meet again, have a nice time and stay safe.